Hello everyone and welcome back to Migi Drawing Academy. Today we're gonna make Twilight Sparkle from My Little Pony. So let's start. The first step is to make the nose. Then the mouth. Complete the jaw. Now let's do the eyes. The other eye. Now let's go with the hair. Now add some extra circles to the eyes so we can add some extra color afterwards. Now let's go to the ear. And complete the top of the hair. Now let's do the horn. Add some extra lines for the hair. Add the eyelashes, the top and at the bottom. Some extra hair crossing the neck. Now let's do the legs, one in the ground and the other up. The core, Now the rear legs. Now the tail, make a big line, going smooth, going up, then down. Make a gap, and then continue to a point, and then go backwards. Add some extra lines. Small line for the nose. And let's do the star of Twilight. A 6-point star. And that's it, we're done! If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and remember, new draw lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. See you!